Hello. I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Camera Z-Depth Pro script. I have installed the macro script and installed the icon on the toolbar. This script is a visual way to create a Z-depth element pass represented in the viewport. If I open it, it automatically picks up my active camera. I have the scene open. First, I want to select a near object. Click Pick, and I'll select an object near the camera. Next, the far object, furthest from the camera. I'll pick the tree, as you can see by its name in the selection box. When complete, click the Preview Depth button. It will display a gradient color from green to red, with red representing the black and green representing the white output settings. I'm happy with how it looks. However, you can adjust the parameters if you need to refine it. Let me change them a little bit. I will leave it like that. Then, click on the Create button, and a message displays informing you the Z-depth element has been created. I'll open the render setup, and you can see the new Z-depth pass is ready. It's worth noting when you're finished, it will restore the object's original wire colors. I'll do a quick render to show the render element. Here's the result of the Z-depth pass. That's all. Thank you.